Today we're going to be making another makeshift anvil, but this one's going to be thicker and it doesn't have all the blemishes that this one has. As you can see, we've got all these rust pittings. We're going to make a new one and we're going to put a hardy hole and a pritchel hole in it. We already built what we need for the hardy hole and now we just need to file a square out. Okay. I am holding the rebar pieces with some clay just so I can tack weld and I can move the clay so I can finish welding it. Now we're going to countersink the pritchel hole. This is the log I'm going to use to mount my anvil on. It's a cypress log and it weighs more than 120 kilos. I'm going to plane the surface here, all nice and flat. Gonna mount the anvil and then we're going to chamfer these sides here at a 30-degree angle. Yeah. Now we need to figure out where we want this. I want to cut these sides, or three of the sides, this side, and this side, at a 30-degree angle, so any scale will just slide away. Up here, I want to create a indent thing so I can put pencils there and stuff like that so it doesn't roll away. And then later I'm going to add areas for hammers to sit and stuff like that. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be close. And I think that's about where I'm going to do it. Okay, we will now drill these holes. After much consideration, I have decided that for now we're going to leave these sides alone. We're going to get the anvil to a working condition, or ASO, and then at a later date we might chamfer these edges. Here we got to carve out a recess so I can put chisels and stuff like that. These sorts of things down here now. So yeah, we'll get going with that. Now we're going to proceed to try to remove our axe. This is an axe we made in one of our last videos. Okay, I finished this part here. Now, as you can see, my chisels don't roll away as easily. With excessive force they will roll away, but they'll stay in their place now. I made it a little bit deep on this side, so this mushroomed out part would fit better. Otherwise, kind of point out, and then you can catch it a lot easier and end up rolling it out. Like this, it works, it's neat and flush. Now it's time to build a hose for the actual anvil. As I said, we're not going to chamfer these edges here. I will sand them up and make them look nice, but we're not going to chamfer them yet. We might do that at a later date, but we're not going to do it in this video. Recap. The anvil's just about finished. I have run out of flux core wire, so I can't weld the second one of these on, but it will be welded on by next video. But the workings of it, that stuff. This will be properly secured, but you've got your chisels or whatever. When you don't want to put them on the floor, you can put them there. Nice space, they won't roll out. You've got your anvil here, hardy hole which goes down, pritchel hole. I'm not going to harden this because it's expendable. It's not meant to, like, it would cost me quite a lot of coal to heat this up and quench it. So it's more cost effective to just every time this gets too dense, replace it. It only costs 15 euros, or I'm not sure how many dollars that would be, but it's not a lot.